Good morning, Assessor. My name is Jerez Casiliar. I will demonstrate the proper hand washing. Definition: help to prevent the infection. Purpose is to promote and maintain hygiene. First, the material. Soap, 70% alcohol, sink or lavatory, running water, and paper towel. Optional, hand sanitizer. Then, open the faucet. With your hand, apply soap, rub your palm to palm, interlace, interlock, clean under nails, rub your back of hand, rub your thumbs and fingers, rub your wrist and rinse thoroughly. Then get the paper towel, pat and dry. Then close the faucet using the tissue and dispose. And apply 70% alcohol to sanitize. Optional, hand sanitizer. I will document to make your plan proper hand washing done.